Okay, I looked it up in documentation. Found it pretty fast actually. How to retrieve multiple records. So let's put that in here now. Public void button look up multiple recs. View V. And I'm going to copy all this code. Might be easier just to type it. Okay. So put that in there. Let me go ahead and make that connection here. I'm going to look up multiple records. So let me have a button where I'm going to calculate the average. So average. So average age. And put the result here, I guess. As we're using, well, let me throw another text field on there. Give it a name, and I'll call this TF underscore average. There we go. Get rid of my constraints, re-add them. There I am. And oh, I didn't need to make the connection. On click, look up multiple records. Okay. Make a connection here that I don't need to. I don't need the key. Let's see. FireBase get instance, get reference to. I need to go to child member 2. Like that. I need to go, yeah, I do need to go that level because otherwise I'll be at the next level up, which wouldn't be good. Okay. And add listener, new value, okay. Date change, snapshot, okay. So here, I'm looking at the code, the documentation for it now. It says if data snapshot, and then there's a has children option. So this will check to see if there's multiple children. Then I'm going to say for data snapshot, and call it data snapshot 1, I guess, colon data snapshot dot get children. Okay, so that's gonna, that right there will retrieve the children. You know, like when I look up member 2, if it has multiple, I like to think of them as records underneath it, but multiple children underneath it, then I want to retrieve it. That's snapshot 1, and I guess I just need the age. Okay, so, and it's not snapshot, it's snapshot 1. Okay. And I don't need these. Snapshot exists. I don't need that, I don't think. I don't think I need that. No more red squigglies, that's good. I need, why are some of these not green? I'm not using the head underscore age. I don't think I am. I don't think I'm using any of that. I sure remember putting a final there either. Slipping. INT age and some. And actually, let me make them double. Double age, average, and some. Sum is equal to 0. Okay, so I'm bringing back the age. I want to convert it. Equals double dot parse. Yeah, parse. Oops. Age equals double dot parse double age. It's a string, so I can convert it. Obviously, I can't. What's wrong with this? Oh, I got twice. Agent. Okay. Well, if that's going to cause a problem to have it declared during you and have it reinitialize. We'll see. And then sum is equal to sum plus agent. Is access from the inner within, but needs to be declared final. Tells me I gotta declare it final, but then it doesn't like when I declare it as final. Is access for within the inner class. Oh, think I'd never programmed before. Double average sum. Now what doesn't it like? Some might have been not initialized. Okay, now I can understand it. Because we got a public void inside, so we got a you almost think of it like a method inside of a method type of deal. Sum is equal to 0. So I don't need to declare age there. I could declare it up here. Age. Okay, and then inside my for loop, I'm done with this, which is here, I guess. Average is going to equal to sum divided by count, which I didn't keep track of. Okay, int count equals 0. And here, count is equal to count plus 1. And then toast dot make text main. Is it main activity or on data change? We'll see. Main activity this. Let's see. String dot value of. I didn't even calculate average. That's nice. Comma. And this is see toast dot the first one dot show. So I guess I better calculate it. Oh, no, I did calculate average. Never mind. Okay, let's run that. See if I can get to blow up. Shouldn't be too hard. $43.5. Is that right? That's a question. 33.54. 54 divided by 2, 43.5. Okay. So that shows you kind of rough. It took me a little bit. I only got 1 or 2 lines from the documentation on how to go through it, but that's how you can retrieve multiple records.